Second lesson.
Second lesson.
Did rather well last week, didn't we, Eva? Did really, really well. Anything that let you down? I was a little bit like you sort of taken up wrestling with the steering wheel, putting yourself in a lock, and you seem to have like super glue on your hands, and your hands wouldn't come off the steering wheel for some reason like that. So we're going to learn the steering technique.
Could we please ask you a favour?
Now, currently, only 25% of our viewers are subscribing.
We would absolutely love to get this to 50%.
It's free to subscribe and it makes such a difference to us.
If you enjoy watching our videos, please just hit the subscribe button and it will do us such a good favour.
And it'll really make our channel grow. It is so important because if that airbag goes off, you're blowing yourself in the face at about 2, and it goes off, it blows up at about 200 miles an hour. And if your hand's in front of it crossing over, you're gonna. Highway code doesn't give a toss spot about that. Highway code just says stay in control of the car. So if you need to cross your hands, you're not going to get marked down for it. But from a safety point of view, we want to keep this area.
I don't really want to get hit in the face.
Not really.
No.
So what you're gonna do? Give it a go. And this is really fascinating process. This is it's not intuitive steering. And it's like you can actually watch someone's brain trying to work out neuro pathways and trying to figure it out. So without further ado, let's go driving. Just do a little circuit that we just did. Very good. Ooh. Wow. Yeah, you see? So turning it in, right, left hand up. Oh, very good. Tighten it down. And left hand from the top. Left hand down, right hand up from underneath. So I want the hand going round there.
Okay.
You're doing really, really well. We're going to be turning right here. So here we go. That's it. Push it from one hand down, hold it there, and left hand comes up and takes it out. So as you're at the apex, you're not steering it. Your hand's going to clamp that hand so it doesn't. The right hand's going to clamp it. Left hand's going to come up and lead it out that way.
Okay.
Fantastic. Coming out here. So it's not big so there. That's enough turning. Hold it there because it's less of an arc. Left hand. Turn it out. So if you hold it, bring your hand up. So you're just getting to muscle memory doing that. Muscle memory doing that. Now I'm going to be at the top of the steering wheel and see if you're behind schedule or in front of schedule. Put yourself there. Here we go, Eva. And we go. And turning it in, then turning it out. So you're behind schedule there, aren't you? But come to the left, go straight. Right. Go back to my side of the road. Get yourself straight. Right, steer it now. Go. Steer it in, then steer it out. Good. Yeah? So you can't cross over now for 12 o'clock. Turning it in, then turning it out. Good. Just make lively, long, sweeping moments.
Okay.
Here we go. Turn. Hold left hand. See, you overturned it at the end. You gave it a little bit of extra at the end. So you might want to think of steering as tightening an arc and releasing an arc to match the road as you're going round. Well, that's lovely, isn't it? So what we're doing is we're sort of tightening it in and then tightening it back.
Okay.
Right, one full turn.
Yeah.
I've straightened that to be from there to there.
Okay.
Imagine, if you will, this is Market Harborough Station. This is St Pancras Station.
Okay.
There are 2 trains. One is going as an express train, doesn't stop, it goes from Market Harborough down to St Pancras.
Okay.
Down there. There it goes from there down to there. There is a second train that has to stop at 2 stations, 3 stations. But it needs to keep with me, but it needs to get to St Pancras at the same time as the express train. So whilst the express train is going down like that, the stopping train is going.
Okay.
That is more effective.
Then,
Stop, stop, start. So you're kind of steering a 50p piece.
Okay.
So what I want you to do is bring it in, imagine your hand pulling it. So all it is just circles going, same pace, in all the way around to there, then all the way back to there.
Okay.
Turning it in, turning out. I want you to imagine this. You're going to drive this again, and I'm going to film your steering. Well, you're going to film your steering, and you're going to send me the film. But before you send it, through the wonderful gift of CGI or AI or whatever it is, you're going to remove your hands and arms from the film. So all I see is the steering wheel. And when I watch it back, I'll look at it and go, when on earth when did Eva change hands? I can't work out when she changed hands.
Okay.
So you're gonna drive like that. So imagine that, and let's go driving.
Keep the handbrake on.
So remember, just come, do gas.
No gas.
Come to the bite. Someone's training your left foot. Hear the engine note change slightly, a little bit of movement, a little bit more. Hold. Now, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Okay, so remember you're passing it from hand to hand.
Yeah.
Round we go. Go. Turn it around and there. That's it. And then, see how much time you got to reposition your hands?
Yeah.
Hand round. Okay, here we go. Turn and turn it back. No, just smooth doesn't mean slow. Smooth means smooth.
Okay.
It's getting me out, turning it. Hold and left hand, turning it back. So do it on your own. You can steer back so much slower than you are. It goes up really slow. Turn and back again. Yeah, just a bit of extra steer there, wasn't there? And it's always a rush. Imagine where halfway is. Steer and stop. Here we go. Let's try steer and stop. Steer, stop.
Oh
Went
my
too
God.
early. Went too early. That's why you went over there. You straightened
Okay.
it. Here we go. Turn, steer, and stop. Then steer. Yes, but that left hand, right hand needs to do something. And you're just flapping it around.
Okay.
You got,
Yeah.
I'll stop there. We're going to drive us over. You got enough to keep control of the car. You got enough to keep control.
Yeah.
In terms of controlling the car, that's great. The airbag's not going to go off today because we're not going to go that fast. We'll go back to there.
Okay.
I think I've planted enough in your brain for it to then
Okay.
think about it over the week and settle in. I think you're one of those. I need time to think about it.
Probably.
Which is fine. Mirror signal left. Mirror signal position. Speed, gear, look, assess. Get new red. New mirrors. Get rid of that. Steer it. Steer it. Again, we're doing this now, aren't we? You're doing that or that. So when you think about this corner, it's going to go there, and you're going to bring right hand up and steer it, tighten it round to down there. That's where you're going to be looking down there. Keep going now, keep the speed going. So you're here at the moment, right hand comes up, steers it in, left hand comes back up, wait for it, steers it back, and right hand underneath there, right hand takes it back to straight. Okay? Keep going. Oh, you're like a spinning plate. Mirror signal, right? Easing off. Easing off. You got the same speed. Now, if you've got the same speed coming in, the car's coming around, I want the optics, you're slowing down to stop.
Okay.
I know it's open, but I want to get the idea you're slowing down to stop, not just coming through at a fixed speed. A little bit faster. There we go. Mirror signal left. Is it safe down your left side? What was down your left hand side there when you came across?
Don't know.
Are you a horse? Have you got eyes on the side of your head that can see all round? Are you a predatory animal that's got eyes at the front? You're going to have to look, aren't you? Keep going then.
Thank you very much for watching.
So do remember, please like and subscribe and press notify.